Hello, adorables. Welcome to my channel, everyone. So tonight I've got some diamond paintings to show you, and I just opened this package. I didn't think there was all that much in it. I thought, go ahead, just open it. Get the game out. Get the protective things out. I bought the wrong one. The way they have it written on there, it said switch, but there's a different thing. Anyway, it's too big. There's 2 pieces of glass in there. Then I bought a protective case, and I already put it on there, but it's just the for the back. I don't know. Well, I guess if you drop it, I need a case on the front. So I don't know if I could return this or not. I opened it. I didn't know. And then I got a Kirby game. So right now the vibe of it is very much like Zelda. Just looking at it, like something's going to be running around this type of board and doing the same kind of stuff. Maybe, I don't know. But I've never had a Kirby game. I don't know Kirby other than I can recognize the character. I know what the character is, but I've never seen a Kirby game. I don't know what he does. Okay, so let's move on from that. We'll deal with that tomorrow. And I'll test the game out later. I should put Zelda case with it, because that's the other one if you didn't see that video. So that came from Target, and then the one the Kirby came from Amazon. Okay, so let's do these completions first. Okay, so this one got to get put in the book. I took him off the refrigerator. These are all from Temu. This one was great. I love working on this. This got me up out of bed with anticipation, saying, yay, because I knew what one was waiting for me out here, and I was enjoying it. Now, I just finished this one today. Let's see if I can get that in the picture better. Little Christmas kind of one. I wanted to do something with a little bit of snow, and I don't have anything really. Okay, and then there was Athena, and she's pretty good. These are all 30 by 40s from Temu. I think she turned out pretty good. And then we have Winnie the Pooh. I think it could have been better. There was a lot of colors, 20. So I would have thought it would have turned out a little bit better. But he's tiny. I got a bigger one. I don't want to work on it yet. It's got tiny letters and numbers. I don't want to strain my eyes. So I'm kind of staying away from the small print. And then this chick, she's still in this group. I haven't put her away yet. It wasn't an official showing, but this is the one I did her hair up, the beads. That's why I got her, was to do this rainbow color. But maybe I should have did what was in the face too. I think why not now? But I didn't want to mess it up. Okay, so then I've got Morris Kitty Mau Mau. That, hey, all the women are done cleaning. They're sitting out on the deck. They're having a good old time, and they hear this crash in the kitchen. Because the cat, well, he thinks he's going to go get himself a piece of turkey. So he makes a mess in the clean kitchen. And then I just finished Liberty Kitty. Well, no, I didn't just finish this. This was yesterday. So this is a 50 by 50 from Temu. And of course, Morris was a 40 by 40. I think it turned out okay. I was a little bit worried about it. I didn't care for this dark brown in here. But overall, I think it turned out good with the palette that it is. you know, because there's some bright pink that went in here and some bright yellow, and then up at the top they got that bright blue up there. But I did like this green color going in. So this was fun. I enjoyed it. It's one of my favorite companies that I know of, but I don't know what the name of it is. I just know the canvases I got from them are all kind of in a set. I consider it a set. It's a bunch of cats doing weird things. And what did I call him? The Mighty Quinn. He's some kind of deer, lion. I don't know. He's some kind of mythical creature or something. He was pretty cool. So those are my completions. I think there's 8 of them there. I'm going to put them in a book. I'm going to get the book. Alright. Let me move the 2 big ones out of here first. Okay. So the small ones go in here. I've got the little pony. The lion, Jesus. What else? Then we got Jasmine. I think it's Jasmine. Little girls. Another little girl. More little girls. And another one. Here goes some puppies. And the bird. What's the second one? Winnie the Pooh. Maybe Winnie the Pooh can go with these. This way, back. Oh, I think I should have put him by Mickey Mouse. That's better. I didn't know. I should have flipped all the way through. My bad. I love this Mickey Mouse, but he does remind me of my brother a little bit. My brother had that funny looking smile on his face when we were kids. Okay. What's back behind Mickey? Oh, Stitches. Okay. So maybe Winnie the Pooh could have been in the last one, but if I change it again, it'll be later. I guess I'll put her on this page. Until something else comes along that will go with her. Okay. And then there's this book. Let's flip through here. My jars. A sloth and some fish. Got some houses. Bikes. Dinosaurs. I like this. This was fun. She's a goddess. I don't know. And then we got Christmas is gonna go up on a thing. We got the city and we got pumpkin guy. Ooh, cities. There's a city. I know what one going beside that though. There's a pumpkin. There's a witch. I don't know. There's my bun. There's a little girl. Here's a hellion. This is goddess. But Okay. I'm not doing that. I'm putting her on this one because I know I've got more goddesses. And I got one to match her, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I do. And she's golden too. And then I'll come back a few pages here. I don't know, somewhere in here. Alright, and then this guy goes on the fridge. I'll get him. Okay, so I guess that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna head into the bedroom now. I finished. I'm not gonna choose another one yet. And then somewhere between now and tomorrow morning, before I start another one, I gotta get under the bed, put the two completion ones away. I gotta put away all the other ones, so I'll probably have that a mess for a minute while I come out here, open the other canvases, and then put them all together. Put them away. I don't know. Why do I overcomplicate it? I don't know. So that's what's up here tonight. And it could have been unboxing, but you know, I was kind of under-thrilled with opening that, and I thought, just delete it. So I did, and I decided to do the completion video instead. With bonus. Okay. Thanks, everybody, for watching. I hope you have a good night. Peace out, and God bless.